are, day 3. We're at Madras Raceway, Dragway, something like that, in Oregon. Going up. The 3-pedal just got called up, so we're all slowly making our way in the lanes. Pretty packed today. A couple more cars dropped out last night and didn't make it. Or well, made it, but on a trailer. So there'll be little Mini Coopers over here. But yeah, I think that's the guy. He won, I forgot, some class in drag week, I thought, or sick week, something like that. But yeah, here we are, getting ready to make our pass. Hopefully it's a good clean one, so we can get on the road quick. Don't really want to hang out too much. Kind of learning our lesson as we go to make a pass. Kind of just do one and done. Get on the road so you can get to the next hotel by sundown, and at least try to get there before the sun goes down. And yeah, it sucks being on the road at night. So yeah, let's see how this works out. Car's doing good. Did a PB yesterday at Woodburn, so let's see what I can manage here. In the lanes, car's just hanging out, a little on the warm side, so fans just kicked on. But yeah, let's see what she does. Trailer repair. Thank God for these guys. So the flange that holds the wheels to the tube broke off. Adrian didn't want to weld it, so I had to, and I'm more of a grinder, and it finally broke off. So they're cleaning it up right now and gonna get me fixed up so I can get on the road. So when I'm done on the road, trailer's fixed. So that shit ain't going nowhere. Straps are all good. Starlink's up. So final stretch back to Medford. So we have about like a 4-hour drive. Obviously the gas tank still leaks. So I guess that's another off-season thing I gotta figure out. So let's get on the road. Checkpoint, not checkpoint, but pit stop, bathroom break. So we're, I don't even know where, somewhere off 62, still like an hour away from the checkpoint, which is in Crater Lake, I think, something like that. Car's doing good, cruising along. Trailer's still here. But yeah, we're in the final stretch. And then we're done. And then Redwood Rally 2025 is complete. So, not done yet, but we're getting there. So, a few more cars dropped out today, leaving Madras. So, we'll see how that's going to play out for a couple classes. I think so far, I think that I've seen, like, there's like 3 or 4 cars that dropped out today. That's probably another truck heading to go grab someone. But yeah, we're plugging along.